In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cam position sensor on your Honda Accord. There's two camshaft sensors. There's one in the back and one on the front under this plastic cover. We're going to do the one in the back side. To remove the cover, pull straight up. The front one will be located right here. Remove the connector, push on the tab, and pull straight back. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Remove that bolt. Grab the sensor. You may have to wiggle it just a tad and pull it straight out. I used a long pair of needle nose pliers to help me pry this out. Install the sensor. Make sure the O-ring is fully seated. And install your bolt. Snug the bolt down. Torque this bolt to 9 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's connected. If you were replacing this front one, after you're done replacing it, put your cover back on, line it up, line it up, and push it down into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.